Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Candace. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today we're going to be unboxing my BoxyCharm box. If you don't know what BoxyCharm is, there are 4 to 5 full-size beauty products in this box and I get it each and every month. It is $21 a month to subscribe, except starting next month, so November, the price goes up to $25 a month for this box. But you're guaranteed 5 beauty products and the value of the box is at least $125. Alright, I cannot wait to get into this box, so let's do this. I saw one spoiler for the month of October already. It is a Dose of Color eyeshadow palette. So I did not put any eyeshadow on these eyes today because I want to try this palette. I believe there are 5 or 6 color variations of the palette, and the one that I saw that I do not want, I really hope is not in this box, is more of an orange palette. I think it's called Desert Sienna. I do not want that one. I'm really hoping that it is not in this box, but there's only one way to find out. Let's open it up. Alright guys, let's break into this. Hello Charmer! That's me, I'm the Charmer, I guess. Alright, right on top we have a pamphlet here. I want to see what variation I have. I'm variation 18. 18 is my variation. So, I got the orange palette. Oh man. Oh man. Okay. This is the one I told you I did not want. Okay. Rats. Okay, it's actually not as bad as I thought, but I'm a little bummed. Okay, so it is a Dose of Color eyeshadow palette and it comes with a dual-ended brush. I'm still gonna try it on, okay? I will swatch it for you guys and try it on, but let's see what else we got in the box. Right on top, I see this little guy here. It is from Iconic London and it is a Prep Set and Glow Spray. So this is a water mist original. You're supposed to shake it up and spray it 12 inches away from your face with your eyes closed. So this is a refresh, or you can use it for hydration or just illumination. Let's see. Whew. Smells really good actually. It smells like perfume. Can you tell the difference? Just feels like a little bit chilly, but it's really pretty. Like a lot of shimmers in this. This is cute. We have a Hank and Henry item here. Let's see. It's probably a mascara. Let's see. Slick With It Mascara Duo. Okay. I want to see what kind of wand comes with this. Whoa, okay. Can you guys see this? It is the tiniest wand, so this is probably for lower lash lines. And this side, okay, just a regular wand. And this looks like it's in the color black. Let's see. It's called Clout, but it definitely looks black. So this is from Hank and Henry. I also have a Hollywood and Vine Kohl Crayon Eyeliner. Let's see how this swatches. Oh, really smooth. Okay, really smooth. It's really nice and creamy, super black. This is nice. And finally, I have from Mellow a tinted brow gel. Let's see what color this is. Looks like brown on the bottom. This is dark brown. So that should go well with my hair. And it's just a little wand here. Let's see. So this is for the brows. I like this box, but I'm not in love with it like my other boxes. I'm a little bit sad that this is the orangey ones, what are you gonna do, right? I just want to give you a quick rundown of the retail value of each of my items, starting with the Dose of Colors eyeshadow palette. This retails for $32. Next up, the Iconic London Mist, and this is worth $29. Also, the Hank and Henry Mascara Duo, this one is worth $19. The Mellow Tinted Brow Gel is worth $16. And last but not least, the eyeliner is worth $7, bringing the total value of my box to $103. Alright, I went ahead and I applied the eyeshadow to my eyes now that it looks like I have two burnt pumpkins on my eyelids. I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like my channel and ring that little notification bell if you want to be notified of future uploads. And until we meet again, ciao Bella!